For the green anaconda. The largest snake species in the entire world. We literally just dove in the Amazon. One, go. Oh, bring him up. Oh, nice, guys.
One more here, one more here.
This is where I drown. The head's gonna come free. Come on. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Okay, hold on. All right, calm down. We're scaring her.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Guys, we did it. This is the hardest catch I've ever done in my life. Thank you so much, Connor. Thank you so much, Fernando. This, guys, is your Nectes marinus, or the green anaconda. The largest snake species in the entire world. We literally just dove in the Amazon and caught this beautiful, gorgeous snake. And I almost drowned. I definitely almost drowned trying to fight it. And I'm sorry, big girl, or big guy, for tearing you out of your home. But I just wanted to show people how beautiful this snake is. We have no clue how big it is, but we're gonna measure it. And oh my goodness. Oh, oh yeah. Look at that. Right there with just a love nip. Split me right open. Pierced the vein easily. It's okay. You deserve that bite. You deserve that bite. But this is what it's all about, guys. Getting out there in the wild and experiencing these snakes up close. Woo-hoo.